In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Go High Level for free. Now, it's important to note right at the start that Go High Level doesn't offer a completely free version. However, they do provide an option to access their services through a 14-day free trial. With a little extra effort, though, you might score a longer trial and really get the most out of this opportunity. First off, an interesting tip. Keep an eye out for affiliate links, which are typically found in blog posts or videos related to Go High Level. These links often offer an extended 30-day free trial, which can double the time you have to explore the platform compared to the standard free trial. If you're keen on making the most of Go High Level without an upfront cost, this would be the way to go. However, if you're just getting started and looking for the straightforward route, you can always opt for the standard 14-day free trial. This is easily accessible on the official Go High Level website, ensuring a hassle-free sign-up process. Once you've chosen your preferred trial link, go ahead and click it. This will guide you through a series of simple instructions to help you sign up. The process is user-friendly and designed to get you set up swiftly so you can start diving into all that Go High Level has to offer. During the sign-up process, you'll need to provide payment information. It's worth noting that while you won't be charged until the trial period ends, it's always a good idea to set a reminder for yourself to assess whether you want to continue with the service before any charges occur. While on your trial, take this opportunity to thoroughly explore everything Go High Level has in store for you. Dive into their CRM system to manage your customer relations efficiently. Experiment with the funnel builder to create effective sales funnels. Take advantage of the automation workflows to streamline your business processes, saving you time and effort. Also, don't overlook the marketing tools at your disposal. These resources can significantly enhance your marketing strategies, helping you reach new heights in your business endeavors. Remember, the goal during your trial is to get a comprehensive understanding of how each feature can benefit your particular business needs. This way, should you decide to continue with Go High Level at the end of your trial, you'll be making an informed decision based on your hands-on experience with its tools and services. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore other tips and tutorials that can help you make the most out of your digital tools. Happy exploring!